Alright everyone, so in this video I want to handle the transition from the werewolf to the wretch, which happens when the werewolf changes back. So go to the change back and add an event, broadcast. Let's put it here, new message, summon wretch to werewolf. Now with night, in the move, we kept doing this, setting the wolfman direction to direction. And that's making sure that we had a record of where the knight was facing so that we could align it with the wretch when he showed up. We want to do the same thing to the werewolf. So grab this, drop it in here. And so on every cycle, it's always going to make sure that the direction of wolfman direction is the same as the direction of the werewolf. And that's going to allow us to align the wretch with the werewolf when he shows up. So now we've written this, summon wretch to werewolf. We'll go to wretch and when I receive summon wretch to werewolf, it's going to be pretty much the same as this. But instead of go to night, it's obviously going to be go to werewolf, point direction, wolfman direction, set current enemy to wretch, and then broadcast start wretch. So let's see if we can make that happen. It replaced it, but it didn't go through the animation. I think the problem is that the sword hitting the werewolf is interrupting the change animation. So we want to stop that. Put an if then, or less than. Now we were using the number 5 for the number of hits it takes to get the werewolf to change. So if wolfman hits less than 5, then do another one. But once they hit 5, it should be 6. It's got to be greater than 5 down there, so it's got to be 6 here. Okay. I don't know what's going on there. Okay, to bug test this, I'm gonna have to add something. So let's say when H key pressed, set wolfman hits to 6, and that should, in theory, start the change. Okay, so I'm pressing H. So that worked okay. So it definitely seems to be something to do with hitting him. And Y key pressed. Say yum yum. Hopefully that'll just change him into the armored wizard. So I don't have to wait around for the dagger. I'm going to add a little weight here. I'm going to make it huge. Okay, that kind of fixes the change. Okay, I like that. So that fixes the change. Why the wretch is hugging the armored wizard so closely, I don't quite understand, but I will figure that out in the next video, and I'll see you then.